What is up, people? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up Google Pay on your Android device. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to check compatibility. So you gotta ensure that your Android device is running Android 5.0 or later. Now you also got to check that your device supports near field communication, which we all know as NFC. So you got to make sure that these two compatibility options are checked before you can proceed. So the second step, of course, is to download and install Google Pay. So you want to open Google Play Store on your device, and then you want to search for Google Pay and select the app, and then click install to download that onto your phone. Now the third step, of course, is to set up Google Pay. So after you have the app installed, you want to open that app up, and then you want to tap get started or set up Google Pay, and then you want to sign in with your Google account, or of course you could create a new one if you don't have one or you want to use a different one. Now the fourth step is to set up a payment method. So you just got to tap on add a payment method, and then you want to select the type of payment method that you want to add. That could be credit card, debit card, or bank account, and then just follow the prompts to add your payment method. Now the fifth step is to verify that payment method. So the first thing you need to do, just note, is Google Pay might require you to verify your payment method. So you just got to follow the prompts to complete that verification process. It's pretty simple and straightforward. The sixth step, of course, is to test Google Pay. So once you've set up Google Pay, you could just test it by making a small purchase or sending money to a friend or whatever, just to test out to make sure everything is as it should be. Now a couple of additional tips I got for you guys. The first, of course, is to make sure that your device has NFC enabled. So it's possible you got your device has capability for NFC, but you don't have it enabled. So what you want to do is to just go to settings, go to connections, and you're going to find NFC, and just make sure you have that enabled. The second, of course, is to protect your device and Google Pay account with a secure lock screen. So you want to make sure that your lock screen is secure so you can protect your accounts. And then the last tip is to keep your device and Google Pay app up to date. So you want to ensure that you have the latest security patches and features. That's always very useful to have. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you liked the video. Hope you found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.